also got freeze-dried raspberry and rose petals.
Wow, see little rose petals?
I know what I'd like.
Oh,
The cookies and cream. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Thanks so much.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
Thank you. Yum. My favourite.
this video is going to appeal to all of our viewers because we're bringing you somewhere special today, and we're local at a local business, and it's called the Maleny Chocolate Company. And honestly, this is one of our favourite places. When we have special occasions or we're giving gifts to our friends, we choose to come here to buy our gifts because the chocolate that they make here has no palm oil, no artificial colours and no preservatives. And it's so delicious. It's so delicious. So I figure that it's really nice to treat yourself with really nice quality chocolate now and again. And surrounded by all this chocolate, I feel like a kid in the candy store. But have a look. What I really like about here is the way they use clear packaging for all of their products. You can see what you're getting. And it all looks so tempting, doesn't it? Look at the beautiful presentation. So this will be really exciting today because we're getting to go back behind the scenes and see how they make it. This must be our most delicious video ever. Okay, so there.
Yep. Yep.
Kind of go like that.
Cut me.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
When we do a bar, it's 100 grams. I've got a foot pedal here.
Yeah.
If I put my foot on the pedal and keep it on there, it's going to give me 100 gram dosing each time.
Oh, wow.
So I can leave my foot on that pedal and it will just keep on dosing.
Yeah.
So that's the way we measure our bars. So this is our large bar mold.
Yep.
It holds 100 grams and then we'll put toppings on it. Alright, so if I put my foot on the foot pedal, like that, and that will give me 100 grams each time.
Ah.
Right? And then it's not touching the corners, but if I hit that, and it just refined it, and then any air bubbles, they will come up the top, and that's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so quick.
So then we put our toppings on it, and then pop it in the fridge and set it.
Yep.
And then take them out of the molds, package them, label them, and then they're out in the shops same day.
We have to introduce, this is Fiona.
Hello.
We haven't introduced you to Fiona because we've just dived straight into the chocolate. Fiona's showing us around today. We're getting a bit of the behind the scenes. Right. The best temperature for people to keep their chocolate, like should they keep it in the fridge or not keep it in the fridge?
When you buy chocolate and take it home, the last thing you want is heat.
Yeah.
So if you take it home in the middle of summer, it's hot in the house.
Yep.
I would put it in an airtight container.
Yep.
And then just chuck it in the fridge.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
It's not ideal. Best to do is keep it in a cool, dark, dry place.
Yeah.
In your pantry or your cupboard at home.
Sure.
But if it's blazing hot, then you don't want it to get sticky.
No,
so
that's
last resort, stick it in a container in the fridge. And the reason you want to put it in a container is to keep the humidity from the fridge away from it.
Oh, wow.
Because humidity and chocolate
Don't
like each other at all. So this is a caramel. We use the butter from Trevor, who does Cedar Street Cheesery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we use Maleny Dairy's cream.
Oh, wow.
So we really try
to use local produce.
Local produce.
That's so
Absolutely.
good, isn't
That's
it?
what it's all about.
Yeah, it is all about.
So
They look so pretty, don't
this
they?
is salted caramel.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
it's got this little movement to it.
Yeah.
Okay, Beth, are you ready?
I'm ready.
There you go.
Yum.
So that's salted caramel. It's got a little dip that one in dark. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm going to fill you up with so much chocolate today. You're never going to want to eat it again.
That's impossible. Oh, it's so delicious.
Right?
Yeah, really good.
This one here is our honey chew. It's got a little honeycomb design on top.
Yeah.
So caramel, and then we put our own honeycomb into it. See?
Oh,
Get this like little crunch of honeycomb, don't you?
I love honeycomb. I love chocolate. What a perfect and I love bees.
It's so pretty. Look how shiny it is. So good. So
So
nice.
it's got a hazelnut gianduja at the bottom, hazelnut, and then it's a vanilla caramel.
Oh wow.
So you
that's
get a little bit of
amazing.
crunch, creaminess, a little bit of saltiness. It's like hits all of the points.
It kind of reminds me of when I was really young. You know how they used to make chocolates when we were really young? It's just so.
It's all handmade. It tastes familiar because there's no preservatives in it.
Yeah.
It's just butter, sugar, cream, like all of the good stuff. And when you use all these beautiful local products, you don't need to do anything else.
No. Yeah, that's so true.
All right, this one is our orange mango, and again, they're beautiful mirror glaze on it. They're just the most sublime gifts as well.
Yeah.
So this one is really pretty on the inside too.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So that's orange mango.
Orange mango.
Wow.
There you go.
To see close up. Can you see how shiny? It's so pretty.
Yeah.
There you go, mate.
Oh, thank you.
Oh wow.
It's super popular.
I've never had anything like this before. It's so delicious. I can really taste the orange and the mango. This is a really good Queensland one, I've got to say.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's amazing.
It's sweet, but it's not
No,
too sweet, is it?
it's not overwhelming. You're right about Queensland. It's like sunshine.
Yeah, there you go. I love
It
that.
is.
The sunshine
Sunshine.
island. This one is a passionfruit cheesecake.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
So that is a passionfruit jelly, handmade. You can buy any of this, you can make it all. And then our cheesecake, and then it's got a little gluten-free biscuit base on the bottom of it.
Oh wow.
So you want to talk
gluten-free.
about some textures here.
Yeah.
This is the one,
This is fantastic.
right? See that
Oh,
little
yeah.
dance there?
It's just like passionfruit cheesecake. That's amazing,
Isn't it?
That's so
And it's
awesome.
just a little bite.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And you know it's magic. You know how it's magic? As soon as you bite into it, all the calories fall out.
Oh, do they? No calories.
They
Perfect.
fall out on the floor.
I feel like I'm losing weight while I'm here.
So, Rocky Road. This is a super, super popular product.
Yeah.
We do this in milk and in dark.
This is your favourite, isn't it?
Rocky Road. Oh, it's just delicious. We make our own marshmallow. It's got Turkish Delight in there.
Wow.
That. The milk has coconut and raspberries in it. So, and it's a nice generous portion too. So the people who love our Rocky Road, or love Rocky Road in general, go gaga for this.
Wow.
That, there you go.
Right, thank you. Look at the light. Took all the.
Yeah.
You see everything.
There you go.
Oh yum. It's really good. I can really taste the coconut and the chocolate, but the marshmallow is really soft and fluffy.
Yeah.
So it's so nice, and the jelly in it so beautiful. The Turkish Delight.
Yeah. Good contrast there.
It's your favourite, isn't it?
I could eat a ton of this.
But I want to show you this. This is our milk honeycomb smash. And can you see the gold on it?
Yeah.
I actually wanted to call this the Eureka Bar. Because it looks like a big pile of gold, doesn't it?
It does. It looks like a gold nugget.
Right, yeah. So you can see all of our honeycomb spotted through there.
Yeah.
And it's just stirred through all of our beautiful milk chocolate. We make it in a big slab and then we dust it with edible gold.
Wow.
Dust.
really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So sometimes people come in and say, do you have any peanut brittle? We say, we have better. Have you tried our macadamia brittle? So it's like glass. It's like
It
stained
is.
glass.
Wow.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah.
And then you can snap it. Here you go, Paul.
Yeah, thank you. And I love macadamias. I love everything.
Well, it's a very Queensland product,
Yeah.
isn't it, too?
Oh, yeah. You know what I like about it? Sometimes you buy these things and your teeth almost break on them.
Right. It's too thick.
This is just the right thickness.
Yeah.
Just perfect. And you really taste, the macadamias. It's great.
You can see that's absolutely
Chock-a-block.
Yeah.
chock-a-block with freeze-dried fruits. So we have freeze-dried strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, as well as dehydrated blueberries.
Amazing.
So we do this in milk, dark, and white. So the ratio there.
Yep.
There you go, Paul. Just bite into the whole thing there. Go on, take a big bite, mate.
I deliberately didn't have breakfast. Oh, yeah. Beautiful, clean white chocolate, but you can really taste the fruits as well. And it's just a massive fruit. Great.
We have always done a hot chocolate spoon, which has been solid milk chocolate, but we have actually, well, let me just show you. We're selling a 3-pack of these, and you'll see on the front it's got mint, orange, and classic. What flavour do you want? Orange, classic, or mint?
I'll go mint.
Mint, good choice. Hot milk here.
Oh.
So we're going to pop that in there. And what we have is a shell on the outside there, that's chocolate. We've got a marshmallow on top.
It's melting.
And we've got a frog on top as well. So these are a terrific gift. Just let the hot milk do it. Hot milk do its thing. And it comes built in with a spoon. And then it's just the richest, most velvety hot chocolate you've ever had.
Wow.
Everything's natural. Look how dark that chocolate is.
It is.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Stunning, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh wow, you can taste the mint, can't you?
Yeah, sure
And it
can.
tastes so
Very strong.
chocolatey. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
So you could really put a glass of oat milk or soy
anything.
milk or anything like
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
yeah?
Anything you want.
It's delicious.
Oh, that's so good.
It's terrific, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is.
It's beautiful.
Oh no.
That's so amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
That's awesome, isn't it?
So, the most popular product in our shop, by far, by any stretch of the imagination, is our honeycomb.
Yeah.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it is because we use real honey in it. So a lot of the supermarket brands, which shall remain nameless, don't actually have honey in them.
Yeah.
You can look on the back
Yeah.
and you'll see that there's no honey in them.
Yeah.
So we use local honey from the owner's farm.
Yeah.
And we make probably 3 to 4 batches every single day.
Wow.
So we sell it like this, we sell it naked. So see all the big beautiful holes in there. So it's light, it's crunchy, and it just snaps so beautifully. But this is the most popular, is our milk dipped. Generous amount of chocolate on there. And then we just basically scoop it up like the honeycomb's a shovel.
Yeah.
It's beautiful and shiny because it's real chocolate
Yeah.
too.
Scoop it up.
It's amazing. Yeah.
You've got chocolate on your finger.
Bonus. Bonus.
It's a job hazard, I'm afraid.
So do you think you've got the best job in the world?
No, I don't think I do. I know I do. This is the best place to work.
Yeah.
It's terrific.
Yeah. I've got to say, every time that we've come here, the staff have been so lovely. They're so friendly and helpful, especially if you're looking for gifts or a little treat for yourself. They'll walk around and ask you questions to identify the kind of things that you like and then help you find a perfect product for you. So thank you so much, Fiona,
so welcome.
for giving us that background today. We know our viewers are just going to love this video, aren't they, Paul?
Come
They
and see
really
us.
love it.
Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
and I hope our viewers do.
Yeah.
And we're going to go around to the main street and show you the little laneway where you can find Maleny Chocolate Company, tucked away behind the main street in Maleny.
We're a hidden gem.
Yeah, hidden gem, that's for sure. And you're open every day, aren't you?
Every single day.
Yeah, every day. So if you're coming up the range, if you're a local on the sunny coast or southeast Queensland, or you're making a special holiday trip overseas and you're visiting the Sunshine Coast, you have to come up to our range up here and visit our little town of Maleny, because there's so many little hidden gems just like this one. And this has been awesome. I've really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. It means a lot to us because this is not a sponsor video, but we know this business from being locals and visiting here, and it employs locals.
Yep.
And we love the products and we use them ourselves and give them as gifts. So we're just so grateful to be able to spend this time today with you, and thank you so much.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome back anytime.
Oh, thank you. Well, that was fantastic. We had the best time. And just so that you know where Maleny Chocolate Company is, This is Maple Street, and this is the main street in Maleny. And you come down this little laneway, and Maleny Chocolate Factory is just on the right down here. And at the back there is Bicentennial Lane. So you can either park out the front in Maple Street or park in Bicentennial Lane. And you know the best part? Look, this is what we made with Fiona. Looks very professional, doesn't it? Looks even more delicious and professional. But we really hope you enjoyed this video. We had so much fun making it, and we love promoting local produce and seeing local people doing such a great job. This really is a great product, and that's why we're promoting them today, because we love it. And we hope that you really enjoyed this one, and we'll see you next time.